Hi, we are here from T2 Online and we are here with Ashmin Munjal, the hair and makeup expert, to know all about the season's hottest hair trend, the lob or the long bob. Ashmin, please tell us.
So long bob is something that really is going to be the talk of the season. Like it's the kind of head turner look, and if you have long hair or medium hair and if you really want to look stunning, so long bob is something you will be trying this season. So let's talk about it.
Yeah, so let's see if we can actually manage to pull off a lob. So Ashmin, tell us like what kind of hair textures does lob suit?
Okay, so generally lob is meant for straight, silky and flowing hair. Like the people who are having very kind of straight or poker straight or bouncy straight hair, so lob is meant for them. So I generally don't suggest it to people who have curly hair or wavy or like kind of frizzy hair, because then you need to blow them dry every time. You need to have a, the kind of texture it's requiring.
And that causes red eye.
Yeah, or you need to go for a permanent smoothing thing or straightening thing. So that something is required. But as you are saying, like your hair texture, it's not very straight. It's a little wavy, very natural, beautiful waves are there. So go for an outturn, like outturn textures. It's like kind of a fusion look or kind of a outturn look. But right now, as lots are in right now, and as per the color you're carrying, it's so beautiful. So you just need to maintain a little. Like whenever you're washing your hair, just do a tight combing in front so that the waves are flattened, and a straighter look and something in tones. So and as for your face cut, so you have a round face and your jawline over here, like upper texture, so I would be doing a face framing for you. And like if you would have been having some other cut, face cut, I would have seen whether to give you inverted bob. Long bobs can be straight, can be inverted, or can be like a pointed way as well. So there are different shapes of long bobs. So I'll be doing accordingly. Right now, what I'm going to give you is something which is appropriate for a kind of hair texture you have. So if you're going for a bob, it anyway has to be straight or inward. So if you're going for that fashion, so we'll be seeing what to do with your texture now. But we'll be giving you bob, because it's the in thing right now. You do it yourself.
Yeah. Like I'm not much into makeup, I'm into like. So Ashwin, could you tell us more about like what kind of bobs would suit like what face types?
Yeah, so bobs are basically as per the face cut you have, the kind of hair texture you have. So kind of face, if you have a pear-shaped face, supposing your face is broader at the upper level and very narrow at the chin level, so I will be giving you a bob which is fuller at the bottom. Like I'll add some inverted steps into that, so that whenever you blow dry your hair or leave your hair open, they are voluminous at the bottom and narrow at the top. And similarly, if you have round face, so I'll be giving you a razor kind of a bob. Like I'll be cutting your jawlines. If you have a chubby cheeks kind of a thing, then I'll be doing a razor or kind of sharp edges in the front. And accordingly, if you have a squarish jawline, so I'll be giving you an inverted bob, like which is shorter at the back and longer at the front.
The asymmetrical.
Yeah. So the asymmetrical is different. Asymmetrical is when you have a shorter, maybe one side is shorter, another side is longer. So they are called asymmetrical. So in asymmetrical is a total different series of bob. What I'm doing right now, it's very much conventional, like which is like just short at the back and long at the front.
And what about oval face?
Yeah, oval face is a perfect face, so we can do any kind of shape for that, because we don't have to camouflage anything. So we can go for medium or short, medium and long or short, inverted, backward, whatever. So oval shape. See, oval shape is something I need to bring every face to an oval shape through cut. So I'll be doing contouring in haircuts so that your face looks like an oval one. So that's the whole fun of the game.